I don't answer questions.
Okay, yeah, that was definitely you.
Are you willing to provide me your ID or anything like that?
Do I need to?
Tonight, we're looking at two intense ID refusal and First Amendment audit moments. One outside a post office and one during a traffic stop. But the conflict is clear. Citizens are questioned, police are called, and the camera keeps rolling. Will they give ID or will they stand on their rights? Subscribe to the original channels through the links in the description. Tell them ID Refusal Cops sent you. And remember, we love civil rights. You're definitely going to learn something, and you'll have an opinion on this one.
I'm sorry, what was that?
You know, you're in front of a federal building.
Yeah, it's exactly where I could record.
You know what? You don't have my permission to talk. You don't have permission to do what you're doing right now, and I do not give you my permission.
What's the law that says that? Just please tell me and I'll go away.
I'm just going to call the police and help them.
Well, they're already on their way. There's the Karen over there hanging out.
I'm gonna charge you for that. Yep, I'm coming back out. Get my picture.
Taking a video.
What are you doing? How are you filming me?
Make a movie about what?
Happy people like yourself.
About happy today. People I don't know. I never see before so many people.
It's because of Christmas, sending stuff, you know.
I don't know.
Have a good day.
How are you filming people? Why are you filming people?
What do you have that box in your hand?
What?
Have a good day, Darren.
Merry Christmas.
Dress to impress. Dress to impress. Good, how are you?
Good. Well, we got a couple calls regarding you filming and stuff.
Of course.
Are you doing the audit or anything?
Just out here recording.
Okay. Obviously you probably know all the laws and stuff.
I may or may not, yeah.
As long as you're not blocking entrance in and out or going.
Did they say it was?
No.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know. As long as you're like not preventing people from coming and going, and you know.
Hey, excuse me. This guy filmed you the whole time in and out.
That's fine. He can. It's his right.
To the post office?
No, but he can film.
You can't touch people's property, though. Touch
Okay,
my car.
I'll come. Okay.
There's camera on my car.
I'll talk to you in just a second.
Stop filming
Okay,
right
stop.
now.
Stop.
You don't touch our property.
Stop. Okay.
Never touched her property.
Okay. Can you tell me what happened with her?
Oh yeah, I think she was right here.
Okay.
And she was all doing like that. And then I went and I recorded her license plate. But I never got close to her, really, nothing. It was just kind of like this.
If she claims that she did touch your car, are you able to pull up the video saying that or showing that you didn't?
She should prove that I did touch her car.
But what I'm asking is, would you
I have all the video. I have all the video here, of
would
course.
you be able to like let me review it just so I can rule out that if it comes to that point?
Oh, of course.
Okay.
But it's not going to come to it. I mean, because if I did, she would stay here. And
I'm out with the subject. Okay. How long have you been here for?
I just got here at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Okay. Are you willing to provide me your ID or anything like that?
Do I need to?
Sometimes the most important legal moments happen in only a few seconds. The officer asks for identification, but immediately acknowledges it is not legally required under the circumstances shown here. Under the Fourth Amendment, officers generally need an independent legal basis before compelling identification, and the exact rules vary by state. Knowing the difference between a request and a legal requirement can change the outcome of an encounter.
No.
No, I've done nothing wrong.
Okay.
Have a good day. You look great, dude. I love your clothes.
All right, take care.
Yeah.
So like I said, as long as you're not preventing people from like entering or exiting the store or preventing them from leaving the parking lot and stuff like that, you're doing everything as far as your legal rights as far as reporting people.
Yep. I do everything by the law. I don't break any laws. I don't touch anybody. I don't get in anyone's way.
Okay, perfect.
I'm a law-abiding citizen, and I'm
let
just...
me go talk to her, see what she says, and then I'll come back and talk
Sure.
to her and see if I can take a look at the
Absolutely.
report if I need to. You know which way she went, or did she go?
I don't even know what car she was in.
Got it, okay.
It's already still in my car, my license plate.
So here's the deal.
So she touched my car, okay?
You
Came
have,
over.
you have pictures or video of it?
Yes, I'm over here. And I said, leave me alone. Went up to my car and I said, he's not cutting this stuff and my everything all over my car. I want him to arrest him.
So,
That's what
gentlemen, like,
I get it, but when he's intruding my space and he's touching my stuff, that's illegal. That's
that is
That is wrong.
Let's get a little closer.
we're in a public space, and there's no privacy.
But if he's touching stuff or he's coming out and touches you, that's wrong. I told him to stay away
Well,
from
it seems like he's recorded everything, and he's willing to let me look at his recording to see if he actually touched you or touched your property.
He actually looks like a video on my phone.
And like I said, I'll look at the video, but
I don't know. He's just crazy. He's crazy.
so either you can take off or I can look at the video and go from there. But as far as right now, what's up?
I mean, how long is it going to take?
I don't know. I'm
tired of him.
gonna ask him to review his video. So, well, it's kind of your word against his word, and I don't see any damages to your car or anything like that. I advise him he can't prevent you from leaving or exiting, but he can film you. He can film your car. You go to your license plate. You're in a public setting.
Stop.
It's not considered stop.
That's not stop, but it's harassing me.
Well, and he's not harassing you.
Touched my car. No, that's harassing.
He may be trying to get a reaction out of you, and that's what's going on.
Oh boy.
But
Right
he
here.
has every legal right to do so. Okay, are you gonna take off?
Are you gonna?
Yeah, but I don't know how long it's gonna take. Like, I can't understand him. You think?
It's a waste of time.
Hey, Corbett, over here.
Well, someone report?
Well, I just wondering, he's video.
Yeah, I think he's gonna say it's because he's in a public place. So, in a public place. I think that's why he's filming me. It's like a Matrix. He could be like a First Amendment Auditor or something. I don't know. No, I don't think he's a member of ICE. Like, I think he'd have his face covered with a
No, I'd be exposed.
with a jacket on or something.
Can I get your name and badge numbers, please? Is that okay?
48 D Orbit.
Thank you, sir. What lie did she tell you?
She just said that you leaned on her.
Notice how the encounter ends without arrests, threats, or raised voices. The auditor requests the officers' names and badge numbers, and the interaction concludes respectfully. Professional conduct from both sides often reduces unnecessary conflict while preserving everyone's rights.
Or was that true?
No.
Okay. Are you willing to provide the footage from
No,
recording?
I'm not willing to do that because it's not true.
Okay.
If I did something wrong, she should be able to prove it. At least a witness, something. I don't know.
Okay.
But anyways.
Okay, so we're all on the same page as far as like not blocking entry.
Oh, I know the rules.
Okay, cool.
It's all good.
We're probably gonna receive more calls about you. I'm
That's
just being
fine. I'll be
completely
here till it
honest.
closes. Maybe 5:30. I don't know.
Okay.
But just know I'm out here sometimes. I don't do anything illegal. But
Not saying you're doing anything.
yeah.
Okay.
I don't touch people's cars.
Okay.
But if they come up to my face, I'm gonna go to record their stuff.
Okay.
You know, that's all. Have a good day. Oh, you know what? Can I just say something?
Yeah.
Very professional. Can I also get your name and badge number, please?
Yeah, my name's Corporal Neri. Badge number is 32.
Awesome. Nice meeting you. Thank you.
One traffic stop ends with the officer explaining the reason for the stop, but the next encounter raises a completely different question. What happens when someone is doing nothing more than recording in public, yet police are called anyway? Let's see how this next officer handles the situation.
I don't know where my license and registration is.
They got no reason to pull us over.
Hey, is there a problem?
What'd you pull us over for?
Hey, bud, I got a question. Are you the one that said fucking losers out the window as you drove by?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, yeah, that was definitely you. And that is loud and boisterous conduct upon a public roadway. That's public disorderly conduct.
Here's my license.
So that's what you pulled us over for, is you thought you heard somebody say something?
Mister, I don't answer questions.
Hey, listen here, you idiot. You work for us. You're a public servant.
Okay.
You're supposed to be professional, not me. I don't have a code of conduct to go by. You do.
The stop becomes tense within seconds. Instead of answering the officer's questions, the passenger immediately challenges the legality of the stop and demands accountability. Under the Fourth Amendment, a traffic stop generally requires at least reasonable suspicion of a traffic violation or other lawful basis. Whether that standard is met depends on the specific facts, which is why the officer's explanation later in the encounter becomes so important.
Okay.
Name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers, bud.
Yeah, that's a lie. What's your name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers. What would you like, my computer number?
Why did he give me a number and you can't?
Because he gave you his computer number, bud. It's 1400.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down and go learn about some professionalism.
Okay.
You're going to hear from my lawyer.
I can't wait.
This is an illegal stop. You have to witness a traffic violation or suspect us of a crime.
Yeah, I was going to say, would you like to hear the traffic violation?
Yes, actually, I will.
Yeah, because we wasn't speeding. We don't have any lights out. Didn't do anything wrong. This is a retaliatory stop for something that you thought you heard.
No, by the way, lights are required 1 hour before dusk. Just FYI.
Oh, yeah, I can't wait. This is going to be great. Why don't you get your supervisor over here?
I'm not required to. You can ask for one.
Well, I'm asking for one. That's what I just did.
Okay. Yeah, you can ask for one.
Yeah, I'm asking for a supervisor. Matter of fact, get Lieutenant Cawthorn out here.
619-220 on the grounds. Yeah, who?
Lieutenant Cawthorn.
I don't work for Lieutenant Cawthorn.
Yes, you do. You work for the sheriff's office. He is your supervisor. Get him out here.
He's not my supervisor.
Okay. You're going to learn soon.
Okay. You got registration insurance yet? I have a registration going out of North Carolina.
Oh, that's North Carolina. I don't know where the one is that you need. I don't know where.
That's North Carolina.
You can send me.
What's your badge, old insurance? So are you not going to get a supervisor out here?
Yeah, it's all up to date. I just am a little frazzle-dazzled. There.
Or you're not getting a supervisor out here?
I'm not.
Okay, cool. Brooks.
Okay.
Are you recording? Actually recording?
Yeah, I'm actually recording. Freaking losers.
The lights aren't on. You can take it, honey.
Just what? Almost everybody thought they heard something. Do you see how he come up to the car all mad? He's looking like he was wanting to fight. He's not going to get a supervisor.
Is that really?
They didn't have their lights on when they come after us. When they pull it out, they come after us and pull us over. They didn't have their lights on. So I'd like to see them try that. Look, that car ain't got their headlights on.
Pardon me?
Will you do me a favor? You just step out of the vehicle so I explain this to you.
No. Can you not explain
You
to?
gotta get out. If he has to get out of the car,
No,
you just
really? And explain what?
No court, no con. I just want to speak to you.
Can you
Don't answer any questions. Yeah, I want to be present with the conversation.
I need him to be present for me. Will you come talk to me here?
Are you doing one?
I would like.
I would like to explain the citation that I'm issuing you, not him. So if you would do me a favor, and step from my vehicle. So I stopped you for 2 reasons.
Okay.
The first reason is when you came on the 28, you didn't signal 100 feet prior to turning on the 28. It really has to be initiated before 100 feet.
After several minutes of confrontation, the officer finally explains the reasons for the stop instead of continuing the argument. This moment illustrates why the factual basis for a traffic stop matters. Courts often examine the officer's objective justification, not simply the emotions or disagreements expressed during the encounter.
Before you turn on the 28.
Okay.
So I put you over for that. And when he's hanging out of the window, those can be misconstrued as arm signals, otherwise known as turn signals. When he's holding the bird out, if somebody else construes that as you turning and you don't turn, somebody pulls out in front of you and hits you.
Okay.
Is that fair?
No, I don't agree with it, but I see where you're coming from.
This is going in as a contact only. There's no court. There's no fine.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Here's all more information back.
Thank you.
Here's warning.
Thank you.
Drive safely.
All right. Can he get your card?
We don't have cards.
Yeah, write your information down. Hey.
Just please
You're not going to.
Write your information down on your information, your contact information.
I don't have.
You're a public servant. Write your information down.
Would you like to go obtain a copy of the general warrants at the sheriff's office? I'm not required to give you.
I don't have to do anything. You work for me. I don't work for you.
Got it recorded right there.
Okay.
Wait to see it on YouTube. Have a good day, bud.
Do you have a card, bud?
I do not. We're not issuing cards.
Can you write your name and information down? I appreciate you not being hostile. I don't appreciate that.
My name is on the citation.
Okay.
If you have any issues, you can call. And that call from a certain number that's assigned to this stop will have these numbers attached.
Thanks.
Today, we witnessed two very different encounters, but they revealed the same lesson. One ended with an officer recognizing a citizen's rights to record in public, while the other reminded us why every traffic stop should ultimately be judged by the facts and the law, not by emotion. Knowing your rights doesn't mean refusing every request. It means understanding when the law requires something and when it doesn't. If you've ever been asked for your ID and wondered whether you had a choice, share your experience in the comments below. Your story could help someone else learn. If you enjoy real-world encounters, legal education, and respectful discussions about civil liberties, subscribe and join our community. This is ID Refusal Cops, where knowledge is your strongest protection, and understanding the law is the first step toward protecting your freedom.